13. Gates open, they're up and racing. Hot and spicy, Deputy Jazz, Jenny Scott moving up by the row. Next in line, Cat May, Dark Sequence, and Janelle's episode. Heading towards the hot mopo, Jenny Scott in command by about a length and a half. Sweet and Spicy in second, racing in third. Deputy Jazz, then followed by Dark Sequence. Janelle's episode, Cat May now bringing up the rear. About to pass the half mopo, Jenny Scott still the leader by about a length and a half. Running in second, Sweet and Spicy, then getting closer. Deputy Jazz moving up down on the inside as they round the 600. It's still Jenny Scott, Sweet and Spicy. Now about to throw the challenge, and Deputy Jazz drops back in third. Dark Sequence as they race for home. Jenny Scott still the leader, moving up on the outside. Sweet and Spicy, Dark Sequence down on the inside third. Deputy Jazz, and down the stretch they come. Sweet and Spicy now moving up to grab the lead after Hot and Spicy. This time it's Sweet and Spicy by about 4 lengths, and finally Sweet and Spicy. Jenny Scott, Cat May, Deputy Jazz, Dark Sequence, and Janelle's episode.